Despite the federal government's strong stance against the expulsion order given to herders by the Ondo State Governor Rotimi Akeredolu in the state's forest reserve, the Ondo government has insisted that no grazing will be allowed in the state without its permission. On Wednesday, the 20th of January 2021, the State Commissioner for Agriculture and Rural Development, Adegboyega Adefarati, in a statement titled Ondo State Government Forest Reserves, Policies and Regulation, said, "The activities of the herders on the state-owned reserve area is illegal." Adefarati further said only about 50,000 farmers who have been registered to engage in different agricultural activities in the state's forest reserves will be permitted, while others go through due process before being granted permission to graze. "We have registered over 50,000 of farmers who engage in different forms of agricultural activities in Ondo State Government Forest Reserves. With this, we regulate their activities and reduce criminality as we interface daily with the farmers. Love it or leave it, farming is farming, be it crop production or animal husbandry. If any Nigerian, irrespective of his or her state of origin, desires land for farming in government forest reserves, he or she must apply to the Ondo State Ministry of Agriculture and pay the normal fee for the required hectares of land. It is illegal for herdsmen to encroach on those state government forest reserves without permission and graze on the farms, many of which will be destroyed." Also, the ultimatum given by the Ondo State Governor Rotimi Akeredolu stands as no herder will be allowed to use the state reserve area as an avenue for criminal activities. The Presidency had reacted to the statement, saying it was a direct violation of the herders' fundamental rights, and no criminal label should be attached to any tribe in the country. The Yoruba socio-cultural group Afenifere had, through its National Publicity of Secretary, Mr. Yinka Odumakin, said, in a statement titled Ondo Forest Fulani Presidency Again, that the Buhari regime has clearly shown Nigerians again, without pretense, that Fulani's interests supersede that of other tribes in the country. The intervention by what we mistakenly call the federal government of Nigeria on behalf of marauding Fulani in Ondo State against the lawful government in that state did not come to Afenifere as a surprise, as it is in line with the non-pretense by this regime that it only represents the Fulani interests against those of Yorubas, Igbo, Junkun, Ijaw, and other tribes in Nigeria. Also, the Northern Elders Forum, through its Director of Publicity and Advocacy, Dr. Hakeem Baba Ahmed, has said in a statement on Wednesday in Abuja that the order expelling Fulanis will not be accepted, but rather seen as provocative. It has, however, become necessary to speak at this stage and offer advice before mischief makers capitalize on the issue to compound our existing challenges around security and coexistence. Governor Akeredolu is a senior lawyer who should know that the Constitution does not give him the power to deny any Nigerian the right to live where he chooses if he does not break the law in the process. However, the Ondo State Governor Seyi Makinde, in a broadcast on Wednesday, has advised Akeredolu to resign the order, as no individual or group has the right to forcefully vacate Fulanis from the states. Makinde further agreed with the fact that insecurity has been a challenge in the country, but said Fulani herders are not the enemy but kidnappers, bandits, cultists, and Boko Haram insurgents. We cannot overlook the fact that there had indeed been instances that caused concern. The fragile peace between the herdsmen and farmers in Oke-Ogun is being threatened. Individuals who are not authorized are going around chasing people from their homes and causing mayhem. This assault on residents of Ondo State is not the way to further the Yoruba cause.